PMP for startups, improving business with project management. How can PMP benefit startups? Improved planning and execution. PMP certification equips project managers with the necessary skills and tools to plan and execute projects efficiently. Enhanced communication. Effective communication is key to the success of any project. With PMP certification, project managers can improve their communication skills, ensuring that team members increased productivity. By implementing PMP best practices, startups can streamline their project management processes, leading to increased productivity and faster project delivery. Encourages collaboration and innovation. PMP certification promotes teamwork and collaboration among project team members. How to implement PMP in a startup setting. Identify project management needs. Assess the current project management practices within the startup and identify areas that need improvement. Determine the project management framework that best fits the startup's needs and goals. Invest in project management tools. Utilize technology and project management tools to streamline project processes, improve communication, and enhance project visibility. Develop PMP skills. Encourage project managers and team members to pursue PMP certification and enhance their project management skills. Conclusion. In conclusion, PMP certification can greatly benefit startups by improving their project management capabilities, enhancing organization, promoting efficiency, and ultimately driving business success.